Delicious homemade saffron-infused lamb biryani, Ramadan special, affordable recipe for beginners. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and today we have a special treat for you, a mouth-watering homemade saffron-infused lamb biryani. Perfect for Ramadan, and even better, it's budget-friendly for beginners. Before we dive into the aromatic world of biryani, make sure to hit that subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel button and ring the bell to stay updated with our delectable recipes. Now, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need for our saffron-infused lamb biryani. Don't worry, we've kept it simple and affordable for our beginners out there. Ingredients: 1. 2 cups basmati rice. 2. 500 grams bone-in lamb pieces. 3. 1 cup yogurt. 4. 2 large onions, thinly sliced. 5. 3 tomatoes, chopped. 6. 1/4 cup cooking oil. 7. 2 tablespoons ghee, clarified butter. 8. 1/2 cup fried onions, for garnish. 9. 1/2 cup chopped mint leaves. 10. 1/2 cup chopped coriander leaves. 11. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 12. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 13. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 14. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 15. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 16. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. 17. A pinch of saffron strands, soaked in warm milk. 18. Salt to taste. 19. Water for boiling rice. Let's start by marinating our lamb. 1. In a bowl, combine the lamb pieces with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and salt. 2. Mix everything well, ensuring each piece is coated with the flavorful marinade. 3. Cover the bowl and let it marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours, or preferably overnight in the refrigerator for more intense flavors. While our lamb is marinating, let's move on to preparing the rice. 1. Rinse 2 cups of basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. 2. Soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes. 3. In a large pot, bring water to a boil, add salt, and cook the rice until it's 70 to 80% done. 4. Drain the rice and set it aside. Now, let's move on to the next step, frying the onions. 1. Heat oil in a pan, add thinly sliced onions, and fry until they turn golden brown. 2. Remove half of the fried onions for garnish later. Cooking the lamb. Our lamb has marinated, our rice is partially cooked, and our onions are fried. 1. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, heat ghee and add the marinated lamb. 2. Cook the lamb until it's browned on all sides. 3. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and the oil starts separating. Layering the biryani. Now comes the exciting part, layering our biryani. 1. In the same pot, layer half of the partially cooked rice over the lamb and tomato mixture. 2. Sprinkle half of the chopped mint and coriander leaves over the rice. 3. Drizzle half of the saffron-infused milk over the rice for that beautiful color and aroma. 4. Repeat the process with the remaining rice, mint, coriander, and saffron-infused milk. 5. Top it off with the reserved fried onions for that extra crunch and flavor. Now, cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid, reduce the heat to low, and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. This slow cooking process allows the flavors to meld and infuse into the rice. And there you have it, our homemade saffron-infused lamb biryani, perfect for Ramadan or any special occasion. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Before I sign off, make sure to give this recipe a try and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. Wishing you all a blessed Ramadan. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you very much saffron-infused lamb biryani lovers.